Now you give more information on ताल्ल्याचे सुके, and I will add a little few comments here. हे ताल्ल्याचे सुके म्हणटा ते इतले रुचीक आसता, तातूंत तेफळां बी घालून केल्ले असले जाल्यार ताचें वांटप आमी चाटून चाटून खातात, केन्ना केन्ना हळदीचेंय पान तातूंत भितर घालतात. पूण हांवें तरातरांची ताल्ल्याची सुकी खाल्लीं आसात, आनी म्हाका दिसता तो फरक दिसता तो मिरसांग जी वापरतात, वेगवेगळ्या तरेची कोलची मिरसांग, हरमलची मिरसांग, गुंतूरची मिरसांग, काश्मीरी चिलीज, वेगवेगळे कडेन वेगवेगळ्या लोकांगेर हांवें ताल्ल्याचें सुकें खाल्लें आसा. आमगेर करता तातूंत हरमलची चडशी किंवा खोलचीच मिरसांग आसताली, चडशी खोलचीच तांबडी गुंज मिरसांग, आनी बरें तिखट जातालें तें. पूण इतलें तिखट जायनाशिल्लें की दोळ्यांतल्यान बी उदक येवचें आनी नाकांतल्यान बी उदक भायर सरचें कशें. सो बेजिकली नाव हांव आतां आय एम आस्किंग माय वायफ टू गिव डिटेल्स ऑफ दीस सुकें made from Talle, which is an extremely popular dish in almost all households of Goa where they bring sardines.
आमच्या घरान in our house we used to make in Aldona 3 types of suke with Aldonichi Masuri mirsang. Aldonichi Masuri mirsang has a typical pungency. There is a level of pungency in that chili. So you can make 3 types of suke. One is sadsadit with grated coconut. Then you have porwache suke, which is made either with green chilies, that is called pachwe suke. You make another type which is with zhad piki mirsang, wherein the chili ripens on the what is that tree, on the plant, and it has lot of moisture content. It is red in color, so that is zhad piki mirsangeche suke, porwache. And the third type is with dry chilies, completely dry with no moisture. So this 3 types of suke, and you have another type of suke which is made with onion, which is called as kanyache suke.
Okay, fine. Now in the next video, you explain stepwise process of making these suke.